To set up theft protection on Oppo Find X9 Pro, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down and then we'll be able to find security and privacy. Now go for device unlock and then there's theft protection. Inside there's multiple different options for this to work. So first thing is identity check, which will require biometrics for sensitive actions when away from your trusted places. Now I've explained trusted places more greatly in extended unlock video, so if you're interested you can watch it out. Then there's Google accounts have extra security. You will need to always enter your biometrics before you basically do anything, so you can perform the setup for it right here if you want. Then there's remote lock, which allows you to lock your device even if you don't have access to it. So you can lock your screen remotely if your device is lost or stolen. How it works: on any device, go to android.com/lock. So open this website and then you will need to log into the Google account that is currently also logged in on this phone right here. So just make sure that you always have access to that account. Then you will see on this website your phone, the model specifically, and you'll be able to lock it down, and with further options you'll be even able to reset it. Then there's find and erase your device, and this is what I was talking about. So you'll be able to open Find Hub app on, again, other device that has the access to this phone, and then you'll be able to find it where it is if it has internet connection, or in some cases you'll be able to even reset it if you go on the Find Hub website. So just click on your phone and then you can factory reset your phone. Then there's a theft detection lock. This will make your phone lock instantly if somebody took your device and started running with it. So it automatically detects this action and then your phone will lock down. That way the thief won't be able to access your data. Offline device lock allows your phone to lock down when it goes offline. So the first thing that the people who steal phones do is turn off internet on the phone. So that means if somebody disables internet on your device, your phone will instantly lock. Then there's a SIM lock. Your device will be locked if the linked SIM card is removed. They also usually remove SIM cards so they cannot be tracked, and that way also lock your device when this happens. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.